Hey, what's good, y'all? This Sneak back with another video, and today I'm gonna be doing a spark plug replacement on the 2011 2LT RS Camaro. So that's the V6, and I'm pretty much just gonna get straight into it. First things first, take this oil cap off momentarily to remove this engine cover. Get this out the way and put that cap right back on. I'm also gonna need to remove this back portion of the engine cover. Screwdriver, lift this up. Center portion. Oh, still got it. And for these, it may be easier to just reach underneath and squeeze and push it up. But gotta get this center portion started coming out first. Yeah. Maybe that one was just being weird. I don't know. Anyways, boom. Got the full engine cover off. Now, you know, probably want to clean this up some, so I'm gonna go get a can of air and blow all of this off right quick. Alright, now let's get up in here and really show y'all what you need to be looking for. So, here go my three coils right here. Boom, pull, unplug these. Each one got a 10mm bolt that I'm gonna have to pull. Before we're able to get those out, I'm gonna have to take this out. I have to pull this hose, and it goes down right there to get that out the way. And on this other side, these front two are fine. You know, I can just redirect these. I can get these front two, but for this back one, I'm gonna have to loosen up this bolt right here first. I'm gonna have to loosen this bolt up. That's gonna allow me to move this out of the way. That'll allow me to get to that when I actually need to pull it out. So probably do this side first, you know, put that hose to the side, and I'll show y'all one, I guess, you know, whatever the first one I do, or maybe I should just start over here. Nah, once I move this hole, this will be a nice clear shot for y'all. So I'm gonna do one on this side first, just to show y'all how to do it, and then it's just copy paste and repeat, you know what I'm saying? So alright, so what actually worked for me the best is I just disconnected it right here. Yeah, y'all can see that. Follow the hose, disconnect it right here, and just take this. I can literally just swivel it right up out the way, and it'll completely clear what I need to get to. So alright, so now we're finna do our first one, you know what I'm saying? And like I said, after you see this, pretty much gonna be rinse and repeat, copy and paste. But first I want to blow all these off. a bit of crud in here. Close. I want to make sure it don't fall down. No, number one, I'm gonna unplug this. Push down on the clip, pull out. 10mm socket. Take out that bolt. Now you want to grab this, pull it straight up, boom. Alright, and like I said, you want to make sure don't nothing fall down in that hole. Now, go down with our 5/8 socket, boom, get it on there. Pay attention how much it takes to get this off here. Pull that straight up. This is my old one. A little burnt, corroded at the end, so yeah, definitely time. So before I replace these, I guess talk about this. This is not just like a normal socket. You can see it's like extended, and it also has like a magnet up in here. Y'all can see that. It's a magnet up in there, so that it can pull this out. So make sure you got the right tools to be doing this before you start. It's a spark plug removal tool. Pretty much a extended socket, and for me, I need a 5/8, so that's what just worked for me. Now, got my brand spanking new Iridium spark plugs. And I think the reason this is like it's not focusing because I got y'all a little zoomed in on the engine bay so y'all can see everything, and then it's not picking this up good. All right, there we go. So I'm a new spark plug. I'm gonna throw this in now. Look at the difference with that. There you go, look at that. Alright, so let's get to it. Drop it straight down. Actually, I'm slipping. When you start these, you don't want to start with your tool already. You want to start these by hand. So I got it on here to get it down in there, but I'm gonna start this by hand. Screw that in. Alright, now once I get that screwed in all the way, as tight as I can, by hand, can't turn no more. Then I'm gonna come insert this and put that same pressure back on it. Now, usually, this should be about an 1/8 of a turn, so it's tight enough. But if you got something that actually has your foot pounds or something on there, you want to go by that, then I definitely would recommend you do that, because you don't want to over tighten these. But like I said, usually for me, 1/8 of a turn max. So you know what a 1/4 of a turn is? Cut that in half. Boom. Then go ahead and bring it out. Clean this up a little bit, you know, around the base if you want to. If you see any dirt or debris sliding through, or at the very top, let's clean this part off mostly. Then go ahead and put this back down up in there. And re-enter my bolt. And that's a 10mm socket, so it just tighten back down. Tighten, but not over tighten, because this is plastic that is holding down. And I'm gonna leave this off unconnected right now, just so I can know which ones I've touched already. Then at the end, I'm gonna go ahead and plug them back in. But like I said, I'm just only need to show y'all one, you know what I'm saying? The rest are the same thing, you know. And whether, you know, some people use dielectric grease and you know, put some the stuff they put on the threads of these spark plugs when they're replacing them. All I'm gonna say is follow your manufacturer's instructions, you know. Read your owner's manual, read your book, and whatever that recommends for your specific vehicle, I would probably go with that. Some vehicles tell you not to put anything on them. So, and you know, you of course want to make sure you have the right spark plugs, you know, pre-gapped. Alright, so I guess I'll go ahead and show y'all, you know, over this side, removing this bolt, and just swinging this out the way so you can have some little bit of space clearance. So it's nice that it's the same size bolt that you got to use anyway. 10mm. There we go. So now we can just flex this, you know, move it, swing it out the way. And hopefully y'all can see that now I can get to this last one right here. Boom, and swing this out the way, so I'm able to pull that up. So that's pretty much gonna be it for this video. Go ahead, leave a like if this helped y'all at all. Got any questions, hit up the comment box, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out for now, squad. I just want you to be everything that you're supposed to be. I want you to grow up so righteously. I want you to grow strong as a bitch, just like that big ass tree over there.